Welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at Husqvarna 55 Rancher, 53cc, 3.2 cubic inch, 3.3 horsepower. It weighs 11.4 pounds, power head only, and capable of running a 24-inch barn chain. This one has a 20-inch 3/8 chain, sprocket nose bar. Has a working chain brake. Chokes right here. Kill switch. Very clean saw. Got the extra outside spike. And we'll look inside the air box. Very clean in there. It's got this style of filter I really like. It's got the actual caption screw. It just stays on better, that filter does. And we'll go out to the log deck and make a cut with it.